introduce her, and she is none other than Jeb Ben Yu Newmine. So can we have a huge round of applause for her? And can we have the music, please? Music, yeah. She completed. So before presenting you this in top 12.
I think with that one only, the younger people lose their confidence before they even know about the world. So that will be one social issue from me, that as a human being, we should not forget about the humanity first. Empathy should be our first priority. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Captain Ceremony. Moving on to next, we have Captain Ceremony again. Now you may pick up the sheet for the basket.
Contestant number 11, your question is, who was the first among Karbis to be conferred with the Mastery Award? I'll repeat. Who was the first among Karbis to be conferred with the Mastery Award? Should I translate in Karbi? Karbi Anglong Ben Mastery Award Komasi Kilong Chenglo. Thank you for your question, Miss.
Our Taralangsu itself, we have we show here our rich culture, such as Lotengpi Museum, where we celebrate diversity. Secondly, I would tell them the venue of the hidden paradise, that is our breathtaking waterfalls and all. And thirdly, I would tell them to visit the Karbi villages, where there is still the roots, and they still follow the roots and culture. So these are the three places I would tell the tourists to visit our Karbi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 12. Moving on to next, we have contestant number 16.
What makes a woman truly powerful? What makes a woman truly powerful?
Thank you for the question, Miss. What makes a woman powerful is when a woman is independent and has self-dignity, and also respect each other. That would be the powerful woman. That would be the powerful woman. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 16. Next, we move on to contestant number 14.
Okay, Question number 14, your question is, tell us about Jambili at home. I repeat, tell us about Jambili at home.
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Those are also our called showcasing in big platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, contestant number 6. Moving on to next, we have contestant number 2. Today, we will follow the way past me. La question and answer card from in summary, Japan.
Question number 2, your question is, what does equality means to you? What does equality means to you?
First of all, thank you so much, Miss, for the question. As I got a question regarding equality, for me, equality means getting equal opportunity between every male and female regarding their caste.
A big round of applause for all the 12 contestants.
टॉप 3 उसके बाद चीफ मिनिस्टर यही होगा आई थिंक देखते हैं भाई क्या होता है भयंकर बुकिंग करते हैं यार यहाँ पर हॉल भी अटेंड किया वहाँ पे सही होता है
Contestant number 4. Can we have contestant number 4? Can we have the music? Congratulations to you, contestant number 4. Music, sound engineer, you have the music, please. Moving on to next. The next contestant moving to the final round is contestant number. Any guesses from the audience? And the next contestant moving to the final round of the Miss KYF 2026 is contestant number 2. Contestant number 2. Can we have the next contestant moving to the final round is contestant number 1. Can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 1? Congratulations to you. We have 3 more contestants to go. And the next contestant going to the final round of the Miss KYF 2026 is, and it goes to contestant number 14. 1-4. Congratulations. 2026 is contestant number. Please join me in welcoming contestant number 19. 19. Contestant number 19. Can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 19? Last but not the list, we have 1 more contestant, and it goes to contestant number 12. 1-2. Contestant number 12. Congrats.
A lot of marital rape. So I really wanted to bring the I would really like to bring the changes in our society, like where every woman feels completely safe, to be a
a public speaker, I would like to talk about education systems in our society. And I truly wanted to see a change and wanted to bring a change about the educational systems in our society. So education is truly important in today's world and each and every human beings. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, contestant number 19. Moving on to next, we have contestant number 14. And the second runner-up of Miss KYF 2026 goes to contestant number. It goes to contestant number 14. Please put your hands together for contestant number 14. And can we have the music, please? Congratulations to you, KYF 2026 will walk away with a check of rupees 20,000. With a bouquet, a shag, and a certificate as well. Only pause in the minute on every person. And it goes to contestant number. Any guesses from the audience? Presenting you the first runner-up of Miss KYF 2026, and it goes to contestant number 12. Contestant number 12. Can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 12? Congratulations to you, contestant number 12, as you are the first runner-up of Miss KYF 2026.